In today's video, we are going to cover how to find uncategorized transactions in QuickBooks. If you are already signed in to QuickBooks Online, start by making sure the correct company is open before you continue. This matters if you manage more than one company file, since the accounts and reports you review need to match the business you want to clean up. Once you are in the right company, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click Accounting. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This opens the full list of accounts in the company, including the ones QuickBooks uses when transactions have not been assigned to the right place. In the chart of accounts, look for the accounts name Uncrumdink Expense, Uncrumdink Income, or Ask My Accountant. These are the accounts you will review to find items that still need attention. If you have several accounts visible, take a moment to locate the one you want to check first. When you find the account you want to review, click Run Report. QuickBooks will open a report showing the transactions currently posted to that account. Review the list and look through the entries that appear there. This gives you a direct view of the transactions that still need to be corrected. To fix one of them, click the transaction you want to update. That opens the original transaction form, where you can make changes to how it has been categorized. Find the category field or the account field, depending on the type of transaction you opened, and change it from the uncategorized account to the correct account. Before saving, review the rest of the transaction details. Check the payee, the description, and any tax information shown on the form. If any of those details need to be adjusted, update them while you are already in the transaction. This helps keep the record accurate when you move it out of the uncategorized account. After that, click Save to apply the change. Once the transaction is saved, return to the report you were viewing and continue with the remaining uncategorized transactions in that account. Open each one, update the category or account, review the details if needed, and save the transaction before moving to the next. When you are done with that report, check the other related accounts as well. Review Uncrementing Expense, Uncrementing Income, and Ask My Accountant again to confirm that the transactions have been moved into the appropriate accounts. If anything still appears in one of those reports, it means there are still transactions that need to be reviewed and reassigned. Thanks for watching. Your uncategorized QuickBooks transactions have now been reviewed and moved to the appropriate accounts.